What number is 2/7 of 21? Well, we can annotate what number, and we see a 2/7. And when we think about this, we look at the denominator. 7 is our parts to a whole. So we can draw our tape diagram. And we are interested in 2 parts of that. So the numerator, we are interested in 2 parts of this whole. We continue and we see that our value for the whole is 21. So tape diagrams hate empty boxes. So we have 7 parts times some parts equals a whole of 21. Well, this is a math fact. 7 times 3 is 21, so 3 goes in each one of our boxes. And since we were interested in only 2 of these, 2 times 3 equals 6. And one can see the lead into algebraic thought, solving for the unknown, and logical thinking involved.